What time is it, y'all? This order say they ordered it at 6:31. They paid $19.44. It ended up being $20.61 after tax. And I'm getting paid $7 to deliver it. So they ordered it 18 minutes ago. Not bad. 2024, you can order food and 20 minutes later it will be at your house.
Get to your drop off at 312 South Fillmore Street.
As long as you tip enough. All you gotta do is place tip on that order. Usually just a couple dollars be enough. Usually. Now, what's a couple dollars?
Turn left, then turn right.
At least like $5. Okay, at least like $5. Let me see where I'm going. Yeah, make sure there's an easier way to get there. So we are going not to the college campus. That's even better. That's even better. I thought
Turn
we were going
left
to
on
college.
South State Route
Let
157.
me take this from y'all real quick. Charge up this phone. Alright. Order number 3. Stop playing. And we got 3 orders done in the first hour.
Turn left on South State Route 157.
Spectre! What up? Shout out Spectre, Boosted, Sigma, Bell from Hell, Morilla. What's up, Morilla? Who else I see? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? That Turkish girl, what up, what up? Black Widow, brand new channel member. I know it's a couple more people hiding in the background. That's okay. I see Eric. I see Jose. Who else out there hiding in the background? That's okay. You can hide. You can hide. That's all right. Justin fishing. Just in time for fishing. I used a quarter tank to make $100. Not bad. Let's go. I mean, you can make $400 off of that tank. What's up, J Media? Hi, brother. Lee, what up, Kaylee? TTG. I'm gonna start calling you TTG. I hope that's okay. Let's go. Hard working. Hold on. Sending you prayers. Hope you make a lot of money. I heard that. Shout out to TTG. I just gave you a quick little acronym for your name. Hey, I worry about my vehicle too. I hear you on that. When you out here doing these deliveries and you're hearing creaks and noises and squeals, hey, I'm worried right with you. Shout out, who is that? Darrell? Shout out to Darrell. What's up, Destiny? We out here making a couple dollars on this Friday evening.
Mile, turn right on West Short Street using the right lane.
Sparking lots of shopping orders. That's what I like to hear. I'm about to switch my zone tomorrow and try Collinsville. I'm about to see if they Walmart got a couple dollars for me. Couple dollars. All I need is a couple dollars.
Turn right on West Short Street.
You know what they say? 100 a day, keep that W2 away. $100 a day, working the gig apps, then you can spend, and hopefully make it in like 5 hours. And then you can spend a couple other hours doing something to, you know, increase your knowledge, maybe learn another trade or a passive skill or whatever. And then other time you can spend, you know, enjoying life. 100 a day, keep that W2 away. Spark was on fire today. I'm glad to hear it, man, because it's been slow this week.
Proceed straight on East Shore.